1 to 10, how good are you at posing?
I'm a -6.
It's gonna be a lot of work. Good morning, someone's having a good morning. Beautiful rays of sunshine. I'm with Cole today on the Olympic coast, and we are going to shoot how to pose a male. Your male poses. Cole, scale of 1 to 10, how good are you at posing?
I'm a -6.
It's gonna be a lot of work.
Currently a -6.
I'm ready to take on the challenge. The first step would be to get some kind of examples off Instagram that I can like show him. I'm gonna pull up this one guy, Josh. He's fantastic.
I know this guy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
That's so weird.
I'm a big fan of him. So what he does a lot of, and I've noticed in guys, is playing with your clothing.
Ooh, okay.
You could like pull up your sleeve and then like pulling it down and playing with it down here.
But it's like more of like a down and up. Like I'm here and then I'm there.
Yeah, because it doesn't have to be like, yeah.
Exactly.
It could
It's
be like
cold,
a slow roll.
Too warm. Yep.
And then you can even like take one and pretend to like button it up.
Ooh. It's
Maybe
really hard
one
to
hand, like, yeah. Well, so we're gonna start with playing with that sleeve. Look out to your right hand side, and now roll up that sleeve. Now I want you to move a little bit of your shoulders. So it's two sets, so if you're looking more that way. Yeah, and now roll it up, looking down at your sleeve. And then act a little bit more happy. You don't mind your sleeve. It's an okay sleeve. So that's your shoulders straight on, and then your shoulders a little out, right? A little more candid.
So broad.
Like that, okay. And smile to look to your left. Look at those ways. Back in.
We're back in.
If you want to toss that blankie down.
We want that blanket blank?
Yeah.
I can wander babe. I'm really good at
wander babe the out of that blanket, please.
Huge turn on for most people.
Okay, we were definitely hoping that blanket would be on the ground by now, but
Do you need this? You want this
you want
wrapped
it
around
down.
me?
I want you to practice sitting poses.
Oh, sitting poses.
Not wrapped around.
Just said that.
Don't you want to sit on the blanket?
Oh, you want me to sit on the blanket?
That was the whole purpose?
Right.
Yeah, you're doing okay. Graceful. Apparently for guys, there's a lot of legs open shot. Girls, you kind of want to keep them a little more closed. Yeah. I want your feet closer to your body. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Looking back at me. Act like you're happy to be here, like a little like, whoa, look at that sunset. Alright, we're changing location.
She ports it to you?
Sure. Let me show you how it's done.
Just like that. Love that. 3, 2, 1, capture.
I think Cole, you did amazing. We're gonna move on, continue with this road trip. See you guys. Hi, we were driving back and we decided to stop to take a road shot because you've probably seen this shot like a million times with a girl with her hair like, but fun fact, you can also do the same shot with a guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to have long enough hair.
Flip it. Exactly. So thanks to Cole's gorgeous locks, we're gonna do this shot on his Nikon with a 35mm and get it. Yeah. I really like that shot. Yeah. Other way. This one on top. Yeah. And then it's like almost fisted. Yeah, exactly. Yes. And we're gonna get more of the road. A little bit more friendly for me because we got those serious shots. Yeah. I almost want this shoulder in more because I want more of your face. Yeah. More face. Bring your head down a little bit more like we were before. And now look out at the road. Close those fingers a little bit more together. Look at that finger distance.
Ooh.
Crazy, hey?
Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. So, I want you to be fully out of the car.
Okay.
Like you're like right here
okay.
is like out. So you're like really like you're not gonna nailed it.
Woo!
Exactly. Ready? 3, 2.
Ooh, we really got it. That one?
First off, hey, we fucking nailed it.
Real good. The eye, hey, you can still see my eyes. So my tip for not having forced photos would be to just simply move, like do whatever feels right. So if it was like moving your hair back simple like that, shoot that at a high, like, what do you call that?
I call it exactly what you just did while I'm shooting. And that means I'm going fast.
And then you can just like simply like move, like tuck your hair, move it to the side. And that comes off more realistic than just like, ooh, ah.
Can I do a pro tip?
Please.
How I do my scenes in order to get that lifestyle, like realistic view of it, is I have the model act it like I'm shooting film.
Okay.
And so I'll actually do a pan while shooting. So that gets me usually the most lifestyle.
I like that. Because the thing is, you don't have to get every shot perfect. You can just get like 1 out of the 100. So don't worry about that like perfect shot. You just take so many and one of them is gonna look good. So yeah, don't feel too pressured.
You can't fail when you get 2 out of 2,000.
Exactly. I don't know how to outro videos. Da-na-na, da-na-na, da-na-na. Anyways, Cole, it was a pleasure shooting you. You're a fantastic first-time model. Well done. Okay, so that is like a person. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. If you are brand new to this channel, hit the subscribe. I'll be posting more videos on how to model, even if you're a guy or a girl or a puppy dog. And I will also link Cole's Instagram below. Check him out. He's really good portraits and lifestyle and nature. You're pretty good. So his link will be below. Okay, I will see you guys next week. Okay, bye. Bye, see ya.